Thanks Time to Grow for giving us an opportunity to showcase our concept. We had been participating with them since last 3-4 years, and schools are really appreciating our concept. This is my second time I have visited Dehradun for showcasing our concept, and few schools from these locations also visit us on a regular basis. So I am here just to showcase my concept. In case you feel that this is worth for sending your kids to KidZania, please do. I'll just start my presentation. KidZania is the smartest and fastest growing edutainment destination if I talk about in terms of education. If I talk about family visitation, we are a family entertainment destination. KidZania was started in 1999 in Mexico, and the aim of starting KidZania was to help kids learn whatever they want to become in future. So we started in 1999 in Mexico. For 7 years, the concept was run in that country itself just to understand how better it can be done. And then they started doing franchising to Southeast Asian countries. India, we started in 2013 with our first branch. So it's purely based on role-playing activities. If I talk about in terms of education, we are into experiential learning. We are just complementing the school curriculum. Whatever you are teaching, we are just giving them a hands-on experience to understand the concept and the industries which are there where they want to go in future. So we have more than 100+ role-playing activities. They can become a doctor, policeman, firefighter, TV anchor, radio jockey, and whatever they want to pick and choose as an activity, they can take experience there itself. All our activities are designed by educators and experts, and it's purely based on skills. Whatever activity which comes to KidZania is based on 4 parameters which we include in them. It's basically psychomotor skills, social skills, emotional, and cognitive skills. For example, if a kid wants to become a doctor, they can become a doctor. They can do a liver transplant on a dummy. They learn about human body parts. Once they complete the activities, they are being awarded as also. We have our currency which is called KidZania. So they earn KidZania. Once they complete the activity, they learn about the concept. And similarly, they can spend the same day. We have our own currency, like I said, KidZania. We have our own national flag in KidZania. We have our own language. We have passports for kids. It's a complete city where kids work as adults. So I'll just show you a small video of our concept.
Kids can do amazing things when they're given a chance. And that's what KidZania is all about. KidZania, the only place in the world where a kid can think, work, play, and feel like an adult.
I am a journalist. I am an archaeologist. I'm a police officer.
It's an action-packed adventure in a hyper-real, kid-sized city complete with streets, buildings, shops, and vehicles. And all the excitement, all the drama, and all the thrills of the real world.
I'm a detective. I am a chef. I am an athlete.
At KidZania, realistic role-playing is put to work, igniting imaginative minds, and taking teamwork to a whole new level. The journey to KidZania begins the same way many adult adventures do, at an airport. From there, the fun takes off in every direction. There are nearly 100 fun, challenging, authentic, and awe-inspiring roles for kids to play at KidZania. Designed by educators and developed to match school curricula around the world, the highest standards of learning are employed at KidZania. That's why school groups put KidZania at the top of the list for out-of-classroom school visits.
I'm a problem solver. I'm a fish fighter. I am a hero.
Through the eyes of a child, being an adult is a big deal. And that's why KidZania is the smartest, fastest growing kids entertainment destination in the world today.
I am power.
If I talk about safety and security, we are one of the best parks in India who work on these segments. If I talk about the different norms which we follow as a safety and security, first of all our staff is trained on a regular basis. There is a regular follow-ups done by even the government officials as well as police dignitaries also who come and who train our staff on different parameters. We follow a strict do not touch policy there. Every kid is being treated as adult there. There are more than 250 CCTV cameras which are installed in the entire property. Entire food is being provided to the teachers as a sample first and then it is being offered to the kids in case they are coming there for the food part also. Plus, an entire property is sealed with 5 exit gates which are controlled digitally. We have a tie-up with nearby hospital also in case of any emergency. As of now, we are in 23 countries worldwide. If I talk about more than 100 million visitors that visited us since today. This is our global presence. More than 40% visitors who come to KidZania are schools. If I talk about the entire gathering in KidZania. So across the world, our major visitors are from schools itself, who are coming for their educational trips, out-session trips, or who are coming to learn about different professions. If I talk about our clientele from schools, we cater basically from nursery to 8th class students who learn about different concepts there. We started in 2013 with Mumbai as our first branch. It's built up in a mall in 70,000 square feet area. In 2016, we started in Noida, basically Delhi NCR. And till date, we have catered to more than 8 lakh students from all across North India. More than 1.5 lakh students visit us every year in each property. More than 500 schools who are coming to us. Not only from Delhi NCR, but from almost 300 to 400 kilometers radius, they are visiting on a regular basis. And we are operational throughout the year. Because being an indoor property, we have the advantage related to this. So this is our North India presence from where the school visit us on a regular basis. So, apart from regular visitation, we have another model where brand partners associated with us to make KidZania a real city. A kid will connect only once he sees the real thing which is available in each and every city. So we have more than 20 partners with us who make KidZania a real city. Recently this year we tied up with new brands like DOMS, MP Tourism, TVS Bike Showroom. So all these are inside KidZania. We have factories in KidZania like Kinder Joy, Fruity, Parle-G, Mad Over Donut, 𝗟𝗶𝗸𝗲. And kids basically work in these factories, they learn about the concepts and then they get the things as freebies. So they understand the entire concept there itself and they connect with that brand. Recently, we introduced a new concept there named as Neighborhood, which is basically for toddler segment. We cater to more than 25,000 toddlers every year in KidZania. From different kindergarten schools, play schools, they visit us. And now we have a fully functional different preschool segment there called Neighborhood, where we have more than 6 activities which are designed here. We have an exploration lab, BB claim, face painting is for them. Then we have a construction site, science lab, bubble pool. All these are things which are designed especially for toddlers, so they can be in a safe environment. Just a small glimpse of these activities. These are our brand partners who are associated with us worldwide. And some of these who are associated with us in India. So I'll just end up with a small video from one of our promoters.
Have you ever taken your kids to a theme park where there could be a pilot, a fireman, a TV host, a radio jockey, a factory worker, and much more, all in one day? When I visited KidZania for the first time with my kids in Dubai a few years ago, I decided that we had to bring the concept to India. KidZania is a globally successful indoor theme park for families. A city built to scale for kids. It has paid roads, a rail airplane, a fire engine, a TV studio, radio station, factories, many other working replicas of real world industry. It even has its own language, currency, and economy.
I am empowered. I am inspired. I am a success.
KidZania provides an authentic and powerful developmental platform, preparing kids to understand and manage their work. Because of the fun, I understand the importance of empowering children at a young age to be able to manage their work better. And as an actor, the power of making someone happy by entertaining. Bring your kids to KidZania, a city that kids call their home.
Thank you. Thanks, everyone.
Thank you so much, Abhishek sir, for this insightful presentation. And to felicitate sir, I would now request Ms. 𝗟𝗶𝗸𝗲, Additional Director, 𝗙cie HIH, please come over here and felicitate Mr. Abhishek. I request everybody to please give a huge round of applause for 𝗟𝗶 ma'am and for Abhishek sir.